Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. Then let's scroll and find the option Personalization. Let's tap on it. So here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and basically we can tap on the home screen here to check and the home screen effects. If you wish, you can blur the wallpaper or turn on the wallpaper scroll. But to change the wallpaper, we have to scroll down, and I think it is quite tricky because we do not have really information that we can find the wallpapers here. But as you can see, we've got online wallpapers, we've got editor's pick, some new ones, and here we've got also system wallpapers, so those which are pre-installed. Those right here above are available if you've got the internet connection. You will also find more if you will tap on find more, obviously, but if you wish to choose something from system wallpapers, simply tap on them, and here we've got more albums. As you can see, we've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from, some kind of abstract options. We've got also nature patterns, florals, etc. I think I will pick something from those online wallpapers because I just wanted to show you that you've got plenty of beautiful options. So here in new, we've got beautiful wallpapers, and what is really important, those options are free of charge and they are available online. So that's a great deal, I would say. Give the permissions, and as you can see, after tapping on find more, we will be transferred to the themes. Here we've got different categories. Of course, we can choose something specific if you want to. I mean, look at those, they are really pretty. They are really pretty, colorful. All right, so maybe let me cut the video right here, and I will come back if I will find something suitable. Alright, so after finding the wallpaper, simply tap on it. Now it will appear on the full screen. So again, here we've got screen effects, which we can customize. And as you can see here, we've got much more options. So not only the blur option, but also the, I don't know what kind of thing is it. It is lens. We've got also the glass. As you can see, different options which are connected with the glass. I mean the size of those lines, and the blur one. All right, so of course choose the one which you like. Here we've got depth, and basically it depends on the specific wallpaper, but sometimes you can add depth, and for example the clock will be kind of hidden behind the objects which appear on the wallpaper, which is great option, but not in this one. However, highly recommend to check that. All right, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply, and then we can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. I don't want to use the wallpaper mix. It's completely up to you if you wish to. Basically, your device will automatically change the wallpaper, so I don't want to use that. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.